How to export Snapchat photos to gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can export your Snapchat photos or snaps that you have or memories that you have on your Snapchat to your gallery. Now, to do so, if you open up Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is simply head on to your memories option that you can see on the screen, and here you'll be able to view all your snaps here. Now, if you haven't exported, what you can do is select multiple pictures or videos or snaps that you want to export to your gallery, and first tap on export option that you can see at the screen right here. And here you'll get the various options under share to just export your pictures. Now simply tap on the download icon. If you scroll all the way to the right, you'll get an option to download. You can see the download icon there. Go ahead and simply tap on download, and you can see exporting snaps on this screen above. Here at the top corner you can see my chat has been exported, and it's been exported, and all my 4 snaps that I wanted to export to gallery has been exported. However, if you want to export all your pictures that you take snaps on Snapchat to your gallery, what you want to do is head over to set profile, and on profile what you want to do is head into your settings icon, and if you scroll all the way down below under privacy control, you'll find the option memories. Tap on it, and here you'll get the option to smart backup. Now simply tap on smart backup and make sure it's enabled, and the second thing is you'll get the option save button. Simply tap on it and make sure your snap has been saved to memories and camera roll, or either camera roll if you want it on your camera but not on Snapchat. However, I would recommend you to save it on both memories and camera roll, so it will be backed up to your memories as well as camera roll. So this way you can export Snapchat photos to gallery. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.